But this is a quick video of unboxing the stuff that Midland has gave me. So I have a pretty good idea what's in each box. I actually kind of want to start with the bigger one first. So this one, I believe the radios are in. Kind of cold this morning. Open this up. Looks like we got two micro mobiles, which is a GMRS two-way radio, and there's 15 watts of powerful communication. So you got 15 channels, 8 repeater channels, 10 weather channels, and a USB charger, which I'm actually going to use a lot because I don't exactly have the piece that goes from the cigarette lighter to the USB. I never bought one. So there's the radio right there. You can see how small it is, which I like. We got another one. It looks like. There's the box. Detachable mount, which is awesome. Also, it connects to the walkie-talkies, which I believe I have around here somewhere in one of these boxes. And comes with the antenna. We'll open this up in a little bit. Looks like we got some sort of bracket, antenna mounting bracket. That's pretty cool. One for each. And I believe that's all that's in this box. Here is our X-Talker two-way radios. We got one set of these. Like I said, these you can talk with the micro mobiles, and we're going to use all of these. It'll be pretty nice. Looks like we got an antenna here. Another antenna. They are flexible. Midland stickers. A bunch of different colors. Leave this in the box so they don't blow away. I also have a Midland t-shirt, which is pretty nice, so thank you, Midland. Put these back in the box so they don't blow away. So I'm going to open up these X-Talkers two-way radios. It's like 30-some degrees out this morning. It was snowing yesterday. Oh, we're going to need our knife here. To get the last tab. There we go. Oh, it just pulls up like that. Got your manual books, which I'll look at later. Put those down in the box so they don't blow away in the wind. Got a micro USB cable. We got the part that you plug into the wall, and then your USB plugs into there. And for the most important part, the radios themselves. My hands are kind of frozen solid. Wow, these are actually really light. So this is the button I assume that you talk with. Little plastic screen I'll take off. Wow, these are really light. Speaker, mic. Really light. Now what this is for, you plug that micro USB into, and your radio just pops into there, and you can charge them both at the same time. Otherwise, there's a little plug here as well. Now we'll open up the Micro Mobile MXT115. Okay, now I can pull it out. Nothing in the bottom, it looks like. You can see there's the Micro Mobile, there's your mic, and all your wiring that you would need. Also, it looks like you got your antenna wire in there. Now I got to take this out of here. I'll show you more about it on the install. I'll show you more about it on the install video. I want to keep this video short, and I'm going to install these, and we're going to use them later this afternoon when we're harvesting corn for the first time in 2 weeks. So, thank you to Midland